So we have a female, 49 years old. She came with mental stress, tiredness, headaches. She'd lived through wars and been bullied due to polio. So she walked with crutches, had a fused ankle. Her right leg always felt frozen. She'd been doing physio for 2 years with no change. Since she's been coming to us, she no longer uses crutches. Her headaches have gone. Changes happened greater than, like she said, I spent 2 years going to a physio. Nothing changed. Since I've been coming to you guys, my life has changed.
Oh.
Yeah.
She's pretty amazing, this lady.
Oh, and the heat, hey?
Yeah, so she's...
The right leg felt frozen.
Her right leg, she's had polio through the right leg, and she was only young when they fused the ankle, because it, I think she kept rolling it and breaking it, so they fused it together. The leg itself is like, when she first came, it was like really skinny, all the way down from the hip. So even the right buttock, there was no condition on the right buttock. She's, how many sessions?
And the temperature, she's on a second round of 12.
Second 12.
The temperature was always different on that leg to the other one. It was always freezing cold, and she said that. Yeah. Now, it's the same temperature as the other one, and the muscle is being built, hey? Yeah, she's getting condition on her buttock and her leg.
And her leg. So the leg itself, it would be now twice the size. There's condition in the muscle. It's still smaller than the left leg, but now she can walk around on it without crutches, so there's strength in it too. It's huge. She's the temperature in both feet, so you always touch the feet just to check. Both feet are the same temperature, the calf muscle, because as you went up the leg, feeling up the leg, you touch both legs and you can feel a temperature difference as you go up the leg change. So to get this through her left leg, and she's got scoliosis as well, so the hips are like so, and the body's twisted, so the body's straightening. It's not exactly straight, and the hips are not quite square, but I'd say from where she come from, her spine's slowly straightening. And then the bottom part of the spine's the only part of the scoliosis that's still there, but that's starting to lessen as well. So the top half straightened, and the bottom down through lumbar, that's slowly straightening, and the twist is coming out of the hips. So
wow,
changed her massive,
massive change in her life, massive. And I love what you were saying about, one side with the, smaller, and with the cold too, because I do think about with healing, like it's about, healing comes from within, but there's some areas of our body that if we can't find them or they're not connected, it's like they're not part of us. And some part of the healing is like, actually, this is part of you. And often we see that with spinal flow, that all of a sudden there's energy or heat, or the area starts to wake up, and it's like, oh, they're finding that. And like you said, now there's crazy amount of healing going on there, but this whole leg was like probably not connected to the body. And it's and then things change all the time, and we don't promise anything with spinal flow, but we watch it, and you're seeing curves change off the it's like, that's amazing.
It's
surely is.
So once they start feeling them, like especially feeling the heart, things change rapidly. So we're talking to them about that too. It's not only telling them to, you need to think about your leg. It's just get back to this, get back to the heart, and you'll be right. You watch everything change, and it changes rapidly. We love it.
So you've got brain, spinal cord, heart supplied in here. Every cell,
exactly.
Muscle, the body's connected. We're interconnected. Every thought, every feeling, every sensation. And as long as we're living in separate parts, we're separated. But when we actually come into, this is who we are. Like, we are a bundle of energy and life force and innate wisdom, intelligence that I sound like I'm preaching. I'm not preaching. I'm not religious.
No,
at
it's
all.
just
I'm
naturally
just-
happens like that.
It's
Yeah.
the wisdom of the body is smart and it's clever and it knows what to do. And we're just like, hey, let's help you get back to who you are.
Yeah, absolutely.
Incredible.
It's
Yeah.
all about connection.